I chose to paint this painting of the woman from Guatemala because I thought compositionally it's a good photograph. It seems to work. I didn't have to do a whole lot of changes to it, and I just thought it would be a really interesting picture. I was going to simplify it, of course, quite a bit because there was so much going on with her, all the information in her dress and everything, but I thought it was a good photograph and would make a great painting. The thing I love most about painting figures is that you can change all the colors you want to. You can make it whatever you want. I always work from black and white photographs. I don't really care what the real life colors were. I can make it warm, I can make it cool, I could go crazy colors, I could go normal colors. This video will help your painting skills in many ways. It's going to teach you how to layer color without pulling off the colors underneath. Think about color as a value as opposed to just, red next to green next to green. If you do that, you're going to get the most beautiful paintings in the world because the values are going to work, the colors will work with it too.